Hi, I'm Julie Hiskett, and I work with my clients to live pain free. I'm 54 and I'm happier than I was at 25. Take a moment and imagine a pain free life where you don't have to go from doctor to practitioner to counselor, still not getting any better. Imagine a life with no medication, stress, anxiety, or depression, excited to greet each new day. How amazing it would be to feel great every moment of your life. With years of training as a healer and a patient of my own, I've helped numerous people gain back their health by getting to the root cause of their pain. I believe that all people can heal with the right tools. With the perfect combination of reprogramming and energy healing, distant or in person, I empower my clients to take control of their health. With a plan to break through and break free, you will discover a healthier and happier you. I will help you let go of all that you are holding on to as you release the pain that is holding you back. If you are ready to stop searching for answers, investing endless time and money to heal your pain, click below and schedule a breakthrough session today. And thanks for being here.